3 new engineers start on Monday. Great news! Welcome one and all. Except, checking our list, you still need to order their laptops, make sure they're properly configured, create accounts in a dozen different systems, and coordinate with 5 different team leads about what access they actually need. Oh, and someone from sales just put in their 2 weeks. Time to track down their device, revoke their access everywhere, and hope you didn't miss anything. Welcome to the constant state of onboarding and offboarding chaos that most organizations are still stuck in. Whether you're doing all this manually, in which case, get out of here. You do not have time to be watching this video. Or you're using a bunch of siloed point solutions to piece it all together, you've got new hires waiting days for basic access requests, and your exit process is basically a high-stakes memory game. 62% of IT departments say they need more than 4 hours to offboard just one employee. 45% say they need more than 6 tools just to onboard a single person. That's not a process, that's an obstacle course. And that's sad when you could be automating each of these steps end to end. Want to see where your org stacks up? Use the link below to take our self-assessment and see where you fall on Rippling IT's maturity matrix.